I want to be a Notion girly, so let's talk about the workflows quiz before you take it. 20 questions, everything from the last 3 lessons. Linked views, automations, rollups, relations, even Notion AI. The quiz is mostly scenario-based. They describe a situation, you pick the Notion feature that it solves. If you've been following along, it's pretty readable. There are a couple of tricky spots, so just like the Notion Essentials quiz, I'm putting together a study guide for the Notion Workflows quiz. Every question describes a situation. Someone needs data in 2 places, someone wants things to happen automatically, someone needs a form that adapts to what people answer, and you have to match it to the Notion feature that solves it. The study guide has the full translator, the I need this, to the Notion feature that does it. There are a couple of Notion features that may try to trick you on the workflows quiz, so let's make sure you're prepared for those. For example, synced block and database page template. They both give you consistent structure. The difference is what happens after. And that difference matters a lot when you're reading a quiz scenario. Then there's page buttons and automations. They can both trigger multiple actions. The difference is what starts the chain. The study guide breaks down both pairs, what each one actually does, and when you would reach for one versus the other. The link to the study guide is in the description. It's free, so go duplicate it, use it, and get your workflows badge, you Notion girly you. Next up is the advanced path. Webhooks, workspace architecture, formulas. I genuinely don't know what I'm walking into, but low stakes and high curiosity. That's how we do it around here. So see you next time.